Hey garden lovers, today I'm taking you along as I plant a few herbs and something sweet that I picked up from the store. Although this video is a throwback, I was so excited to find healthy seedlings of coriander, parsley, thyme, basil, and even wild strawberry plants. I also grabbed a bag of cultured soil, perfect for container gardening, and I couldn't wait to get home and start planting. So once I got home, I started by prepping my pots. I added a little organic fertilizer at the base of each pot to give the roots a healthy start. Then I added the soil, light, rich, and full of life. Yes, because it's a cultured soil. Now, time to plant. Each herb, I have to give them its own space to thrive, although I'm trying to conserve my space. So I'll be planting 3 in a pot. I gently loosened the roots, tucked them into the soil, and gave them a firm but gentle press down. They looked happy already. So this is it. This is my coriander. I'll be planting it first at the edge of the pot because I know it's going to spread. So, and this is followed by parsley, Italian parsley. Then the next one is my basil. It came 2 in a pot. Like it's 2 in that are small plots where I bought it is 2 in 1 in a pot. So I'll be planting them together. Believe me when I tell you that herbs is the easiest plant to grow, honestly. So the next one that I planted was thyme. I planted it in a separate pot. So because I have space remaining on the pots, I went back to the store and bought some spearmint and apple mint and planted in the same pot. So, and for the white strawberry, I chose a separate pot to give it room to spread and trail a bit as it grows. I'm really excited to see how it turns out. Once everything was planted, I gave them all a deep watering into their new home. Honestly, there is something so calming about watering plants, like giving them a warm welcome. At the end of the day, because of the harsh weather, my coriander plant couldn't make it. It died off. And my strawberry was producing tiny fruits. I think it's a species that I bought. Fast forward to a few weeks, just look at how much they've grown. The basil is thriving, the thyme, the mint leaf, the strawberries are producing fruits. It's so rewarding to see your plants flourish with just a little care and consistency. Gardening doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes all it takes is a quick trip to the store, a few pots, and some love. If you're thinking about starting your own herb garden, this is your sign. You don't need a big backyard, just a little space, good soil, and patience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment what you're growing this season. Happy gardening!